Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Gurp Dhaliwal from Captureyesstudio, and today's tutorial is going to be on this gorgeous makeup. I do have a hair tutorial on this look as well, which was the previous video. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. We are on day 6 of 12 days of wedding bells. We are halfway there. I'm so excited that you guys are loving all the videos so far. I'm going to be taking the new Nude palette by Huda Beauty and picking up Teddy. I'm working this into my upper crease with a fluffy brush. This was my first time using this palette, so this was kind of like my first impressions while I was working with it. I'm going to be taking Tease, which is a really soft purple, and just layering that right on top of that shade. And I really like how these blend together. Underneath my brow bone, I'm going to be taking Bare. It is very matte, so in between I'm taking Play, which is a peachy shade, and just blending between the transition and the highlight shade. On the outer corners and inner corners, I'm taking Love Bite, which was the darkest shade in this palette. I do wish there was something a little bit more darker in this palette, but this will have to do. I'm going to be taking Concealed, which is formulated like a greasy concealer, and I'm applying this to the centers of my lids and blending it out. I wasn't too sure how this was going to work out, but it really softened up the centers. You have this option of doing this straight from the palette rather than going in with another concealer. And then I'm going to be taking Spanked and applying that to the outer edges of that concealer shade. I did notice it got a little bit patchy, but I just went back in with some more product and it evened out. I'm picking up Daydream and applying that to the centers of my lids, and this was so pigmented and shimmery. I just love this. I'm taking Charmed and applying that to the edges of Daydream. It gives it a really nice halo effect. So now I'm going to be taking Love Bite and just intensifying the inner and outer corners. I'm going to do my liner and lashes off camera and prep my skin with Professional by Benefit. For my skin, I am correcting with Vasanti 02 Corrector, and then I'm going in with my favorite foundation, Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in Natural Beige. I'm applying that all over my skin and then highlighting underneath with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to be cream contouring and blending this out. And then underneath my eyes, I'm taking the RCMA powder, but I have my sponge that's wet, and I felt like this worked really nicely. It gave me this beautiful lifted and highlighted look. And now I'm taking a dance break, and here I'm going to be taking the Cover FX powder. I'm in G40 and I'm dusting off the under eye powder as well. I really like how that powder layers on the skin and doesn't look too cakey. I'm going to bronze up my skin a little bit with the Sephora contour palette, and then I'm also going to be contouring my nose with a fluffy brush. I'm also working the contour up towards my eyebrows just so it looks like a natural shadow. I'm going to be taking Melba by MAC and applying this onto my cheeks in a circular motion, and I'm going to lock and set everything with my Smashbox primer water. In the waterline, I'm taking a white eyeliner and then just defining the bottoms with Raw and a little bit of Love Bite. I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take Fiji and just use a very small amount of that as a base. And then I'm going to be taking this other shimmer shade and layering it on top, which I really liked. It wasn't too intense as some of the previous looks that I did, but this one still gave me that really nice shimmer that I was looking for. I did go back in with my sponge and tap it out a little bit and do a little bit more blending. I'm picking up Crave and applying this to my inner tear duct area with a pencil brush. I'm also going to be taking that in the inner lower lash line. In the comment section down below, I would love to know where you guys are from. Please leave me a comment letting me know which city or which country you're from. For my lips, I'm going to be taking Spice by MAC. And then for my lipstick, I wanted to stick with the nudish lip for today, which I know some of you loved because I asked you in my previous video. So I'm taking My Main by Dose of Colors. This nudish lipstick really completed the look, and I just feel like it's so appropriate and perfect for like a ladies party. It also has that Pakistani feel to it. My beautiful jewelry is from Paris Fashions, and this is a completed look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you check out the hair tutorial on this look, and that wraps up day 6 of 12 days of wedding bells. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you tomorrow in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.